Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista101. So today we're going to be creating a wellness spread in my wellness planner, which is just a plain old classic size of vertical happy planner. It is called Exotic Borders, and I do have a full kit, a weekly kit from Etsy that I'm going to be using. That's all about the lemons. So if you want to create this with me, stick around and we'll do it together. Okay, so let's get to the planning part. Um, so my wellness usually is the same layout every single time. I do my own little boxes and bins and stuff, and it works out. But this time around, I'm gonna be doing slightly different because I do want to use a weekly kit in here. So again, if this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate if you would do so too. And let's get started. So I'm thinking of doing all of the meal boxes into the check boxes that are in this kit. They are quite large, so I'm not sure how that's going to work out, but it's worth a try, I think, so I can know if the future weekly kits that I have are going to work within this particular planner. So I do have quite a few weekly kits that I have not even used yet, so that's where we're gonna go. I'm gonna start with the yellow, light green, and green, or the other way, and then the blue will be reserved for the other side of the page. And mostly this way I'll be able to just keep the blue contained because there's only 7 boxes is what I'm trying to say, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this down. So blue, and then I'm gonna do the same thing, green, light yellow, and hopefully that will look pretty good. So yeah, let's put that down. Let's see how it is. So I'm trying to be very careful to keep my stickers straight. If you're not a frequent flyer here, you probably should know that I am not a straight sticker putter or whatever you would call that. I am not a straight sticker installer. I usually have some kind of difficulty, even with the most detailed instructions, you guys. So yeah, not very straight. These are not bad, but usually I'm much worse. So I think I want to use like days of the week, you guys. I think that might be fun to put like the lemons and stuff in the days of the week. But keep the numbers. So let's see. Working on that. These are gorgeous too because it's all like a lemon and flowers. So they're gonna look so good, you guys. Okay. Take a look. The first one is down and it is quite spectacular. And then second one, so you have Tuesday and then so on. But yes, all of these are lemon themed and we're gonna stick with that for the whole week. I probably won't be pulling any other stickers from any other books. This will be it. Those kits are designed to actually serve you probably more than 1 or 2 weeks. So this kit is quite robust, especially because um, like I printed myself so I can have copies of whatever I need over and over again without printing a full kit. So kind of fun, and don't have to predict too much of how I would be using it to use it multiple times, because if I choose to have these checklists in a box form again, I can just reprint that page. Okay, but let's keep going because I need both of the spaces that I typically do. So on top, it'll be breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And then on the middle section, I'm gonna have my medicine, my mood, my sleep, my workouts, and my steps. So quite a bit. But let's put this washi down. Look how stunning it is. Like, it really does bring the whole page together on top and bottom, and it almost creates like a barrier, which looks beautiful. So we'll keep doing that. I just want to make sure that that is done. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the same washi tape, like thick one, on the other side of the page so it looks like it's matching. Okay, there we go. And then let's go ahead and create some more beautiful scenes in here. So some of these stickers, when you put them together, will create like a full image. So when you look at the two stickers of the pool, when you put them together, they are going to create a full pool effect in this in the planner. So that's kind of how that goes. I'm gonna go ahead and I was thinking of using the smaller boxes for my other prompts, but I might just draw it with like a bullet, like a little bullet. So let's see how that goes. So I'm just gonna grab a yellow pen. I want it to be kind of intense since the rest of the yellow in here is pale. This one came out almost mustard-like, but I want it to be more like sunshine yellow, but it's fine. Some of the parts of the lemon are almost that color, so I think that's gonna just go ahead and work. So then let's go ahead and add all the other images in here since the bullet points are done, and now I can get on with the fun part of the program, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the pool stickers, like I said, and I'm going to merge them. By merging them, I'm going to create one like viewscape. So take a look. You see that? It just completely like melts into each other, and it's the same image. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and add some other stuff. I do want some girls in here, I think. They always look good in planners, but I also want some of these like lemon Italian vibes in here. So we have like lemon trees and an entryway with lemon trees and a branch. It just looks stunning. And then we have a Vespa. Like how much more Italian does it get with lemons and Vespas and everything in yellow? So yeah, this makes me pretty happy. Then we have to add some more girls, or I haven't added any, I just keep looking at them. So I kind of want them center stage. So I'm going to go ahead and add this one, which is like with her back to us. And her hair is so stunning, you guys. Like, come and do this hairdo on me any day of the week. I will be very, very glad to do this. So let's go ahead and add one more on Sunday, and then I need some in the sidebar as well. So I'm gonna fill up the sidebar with those big images, I think, because that will be the best. And I did think I have images in like half boxes, but I guess I don't in this kit, so I'm just gonna have to make do. We'll come up with something, but yeah. I gotta add this limoncello, or this is lemonade, but I'm gonna think about it as limoncello. And then we have lemon farm. which is amazing. So I'm gonna add this one. Look at this. I mean, oh my lord. I think those are mint leaves, maybe not. But yeah, this whole lemon experience is something in itself. So here's what I'm thinking. There's all of these icons in there of like food and lemons and stuff like that. So I'm thinking that maybe we can use those little guys to like fill in spaces with all the little lemons and accessories. You let me know if you think that's a good idea or a bad idea. It does get pretty full pretty fast, but it also leaves like no stone unturned when it comes to all of the boxes and all of the decorations. Okay, so I'm gonna put some lemons down. Big surprise, right? Lemon spread. And yeah, I'm just pulling the tiny little icons from here, which are perfect because they're not full-size images and they will fit anywhere. So here we go. Lots of lemon jam. Yum. It's so good, you guys. And then we have a lemon pitcher, like beautiful too. I'm gonna put one on this side too, since I have two of them and everybody has to drink. So yeah, no exceptions here. Okay, I'm gonna put a cake. Maybe like one more thing. What if I did maybe like a drink? Yeah, let's do that. Let's pair that up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the like green washi strips from here. And I'm gonna kind of separate the bullet points from the images. So the images are extremely bold. They are overpowering and overtaking the actual like the functional part of the spread. I had like a brain fog, you guys. That is so crazy. Okay, but anyway, so I felt like it was overpowering, so I want to separate and do like a clean cut. So that's what I'm doing with this green washi. It might work, it might not. I might be taking it off. I'll see what it looks like when I write in it, because a lot of times things improve significantly when I do, but sometimes they don't. So we shall see and we shall decide based on that. But outside of this, I think I'm pretty much done. You guys let me know. I mean, there's no more space. It's truly no more space. So I'm gonna pop this back into my planner, take a look at it from like the top, because that's what I like to do. Snap a picture for you guys, and I will see you soon for another video. Thanks for stopping in today and have a great day. Bye.